What's up, y'all? It is your girl, Sarah from Sarah Styles here, where data empowers true potential and I show you the power of your numbers. In today's video, I am going to show you how to bulk edit your items in eBay. This allows you to spend less time to make more money. So stay tuned. All right, so in eBay, if you do have a store, which I do highly recommend once you have so many items on eBay, you get great information and tools, analytics, as well as discounts on your fee or discounts on, on your listings and lots of other shipping supplies and lots of other stuff. So in today's video, I am going to show you how to bulk edit. This is one of my favorite features because as things change or new things come in, I want to try different scenarios. I'm able to go through and bulk edit my entire store. For the sake of this video, I'm not going to do my entire store just for the sake of time, but I will show you how to do it. So if you have a eBay store, this is going to be your seller hub, and you would get here by coming up here and clicking on sell, and then I'm on the tab listings and active over here on the left. If you scroll down, these are all of my active listings. And then you have some quick filters up here that I can talk about in maybe some of my other videos. So make sure to hit that subscribe and notifications to learn about some of these other really cool features. So you can come here and you can hit edit. You can edit. I have 931 listings on eBay. I can edit every single one of them. For the sake of this video, I am not going to, just because it'll kind of run slower, because I'm also recording this. So I'm just going to hit the X up here, and that's going to select the entire page, which I have set to 200. And so I'm going to edit 200 items, and it says edit select, and it's going to bring in all of the items. You can go through and click the items that you want. You can select a whole page, or you can go in and select all of your items. And then what's cool about this is I'm going to click the X on the top as well. That is going to select all of the items that I brought in, and you can edit all of these fields in here. You can go through and change your handling times. You can change your custom labels, your shipping, your volume pricing. I'm gonna do promoted listings. So something, if you do trending, the trending is always changing. So if you do trending, I like to come in here and change my trending rate maybe once a week, just to kind of make sure that I have the right rate. eBay likes for you to be editing your listings and make sure everything's up to date. So this is a quick way for you to go in and say, hey, I just edited, a fourth of my store by editing some of these promoting listings. Right now, I am doing a custom ad rate. So I'm just going to set it to 2%, and just make sure that everything in here is set to the promoted ad rate that I am currently doing right now. If I said, hey, I want to try promoted listings and up that a little bit, I can come in here and in a minute have all of my listings, the promoted listings, updated. And then you simply hit submit changes. Something I do want to touch on up here is you can see this red circle with the exclamation mark in it. That is telling you there's a little bit of an error. On mine, it is telling me the amount cannot be greater than or equal to the buy it now price. So I have decreased some of my prices, and now they are lower than what I had originally sent as an auto decline amount. If I wanted to, I'm not going to for the sake of this video, I could go in and change my price, change my auto decline on all of those as well. But just for the sake of time, so you guys can see it, and you can see it gave me an error saying there's two that have an error on it. And I just said, skip ahead, it's okay. And now it's gonna bring them into me. Do you guys wanna see it? I'll show it to you really quick. So I went in and I did edit listings in bulk, my buy it now price, so I'm gonna do my best. Offer, auto decline price. So I can decrease it, and then you can decrease it from what it's currently set out. Let's say that I decrease it by 10% and see if that gets rid of some of those. It did not. It looks like I lowered some of my prices quite a bit. So let's do this. let's just remove them. So I'm just going to remove them from all, and then that'll get rid of it. Those are probably items that I have been kind of clearancing out. Yeah, those are items that I'm clearancing out. So I'm now at the point that if someone sends me an offer, I want to know what that offer is. I will likely accept because I'm clearancing them out. But in the sake of this video, I mean, what has this been? 2 minutes? I've gone in and updated my listings. You can go in and do this for so many different things on eBay. It's one of the greatest features. eBay has so many great features. This is one of the great features. If you did like content like this, or you want to know how to look at your numbers to make the money that you want to make on eBay, tips and tricks on eBay and Poshmark and reselling in general, how to really maximize your potential and empower yourself by knowing your data, knowing your numbers, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notifications so you get notified when this comes out. Do make sure to hit that save button so that you can quickly come back to this video as you're learning and knowing, and feel free to share it with all of your other friends as well if you think they would enjoy it. Drop comments down below if you did have any questions, or if you want to see other features on eBay as well, or Poshmark as well. So have a great day.